Hi everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Creations 1. Today we are going to be doing a roll for Granny Square video, and we're going to start that in just a moment. Hi everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Creations 1. Today we are going to be rolling for Granny Squares. So let's get started. So our first roll is a 7. Next roll is a 9. The next roll is a 3. Okay, the next number is 17, 14, and 12. So that makes our Granny Square. We'll show you the yarns in just a moment, and then we'll get started. Okay everyone, so these are the colors we have picked for our Roll for Granny Square series. What do you think of those? They're all different brands, but they're all the same weight. They're 4-ply, medium weight, or worsted weight yarn. And those are the ones we're using. So these are the colors for this week: 7, 9, 3, 17, 14, and 12. Okay, let's get making these. And this, my friends, is the finished square. So, thanks so much for watching. Check that description because I put all kinds of goodies in the description. For example, how to hide all those ugly threads. And come into the channel next week on Thursday and we'll do our next roll for Granny Squares. Have a great day. Bye now.